One thing to keep in mind when you're playing ball, you want to always remember the basic passes, and you want to get good enough with them that you can use them during the game. One of the passes that I'm going to talk about first is called the chest pass. And the way you chest pass is you want to put both hands on the ball, and you want to start coming from your chest height. And the person that you're throwing to, you want to throw it directly to their chest. And when you throw it, you want to throw the ball out and leave your thumbs out and your hands out as well, just like this. And what you do when you do that is you create the type of spin on the basketball so that when the person's catching it, they can catch it in the proper way so that they can take the shot, so you don't throw their rhythm off. So when you're catching the ball, you also want to catch it with two hands, and you want to step into the catch. So when you're throwing the ball, you want to step into the throw, and when you're catching it, you want to step into the catch so that the defense cannot come in and take the ball. You take advantage of that space. You come in and step into the catch. So just two things that you need to remember whenever you're doing a chest pass. You want to step into the throw with your hands out, and actually step into the catch. So there you go. So there you have it, chest passing.